Zapro Nara Combat, reciting Kiamabundu, Nairo Muchionenka. Ekaro yagete 2015. Na iwete ngisukuru nerega ya culture. Eko somigoro ya plant science. My level of education, when I get a form 2, katika sukuru. From there, I was interested ngaje sukuru ye ninche muno mwanafunzi yomo. Nisome guru ya plant science. Ekero na jeta na bana bete motivated. Mono ngatwanyoranga abantu baito mbachandikite na mangana yichi cancer. Ngataka gosoma manye ngachi cancer ninki, cancer ngakiko chaka. Cancer ngatwanyoranga cancer nona abanyagitari abane abange mbanda sandinga cancer nganinki. Cancer negento from DNA structure, DNA yeito ebegite mwanya bantu. Ekero ekero excess production free radicals chinyinge yo chigo ita DNA kia very mutilated by free radicals yo chigo chia cause cancer cell. Cancer ye na chire koria koru esemete ye kiasiri nga kitora kole to eradicate cancer ne mete ye kiasiri na asomile na nutrition na chire konyoranga inchere yo katura nyaro control excess production of free radicals nchi chiguite DNA erinde cells chimanye ko lose a trend iri yabo chikogenda ekaro chia lucidi iko chiko form uchiko cha samanyinge sabesi amanyinga chia form ngentoko kunga mass yamanya ko form a penin. This is a kind of tumor. A tumor ekereko ekogendera ego chaka kuranda twarukeri terimonga metastatic bono yabeire cancer cell kwa maana bona bikorande egende kidney egende liver egende brain and finally umuntu nabago succumb to death because vital organs yabeire chiasaliwe. Ekeron kurikeri igoro ya cancer nyene ngangaki na so many divine philosophy of science of health and healing. These are the powerful books and the neglected books. If you go on telling cancer is a disease of the civilized society. Civilized people ngakibako nyora cancer than primitive people. Primitive bari ne chindaga chapo chiri cha primitivity. Muna bona chire gluten free. Cancer muna to nyoka cancer of a civilized society. Civilized people get more cancer than ordinary people because iko bako depend into be refining. No ibako kurwa chi supermarket. Ebinto biko runga processing. Ebinto bako tumeke ebinto biko fragmented foods. Ebinto bikarangire. Mune ebinto chinsu echo karango na maguta. Biasi bikarangire na maguta chips. Ebinto bi fragmented foods. Ebintebi why bigo cause cancer? They don't have antioxidant level. Antioxidants, these are vitamin A, C, and E. They work as antioxidant in quenching or controlling the excess production of free radicals in the body to protect our DNA structure not to be mutilated by free radicals. Echire no chire causative agent ya cancer cell. Abantu baminto toise go change from a diet. Nutrition. Again, talking about nutrition. Nutrition, what you put on table. In terms of phytochemicals, in terms of phytonutrients, we have to understand what we eat. Cells are not interested with what we eat. Cells are interested with nutrients. What they get nutrients. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, minerals like selenium, fighting cancer, zinc, fighting cancer, potassium, fighting infection, calcium, bone formation, phosphorus, strengthening bones, manganese to bring electric current in the blood, and magnesium. These are brain food. All these things, if they are not there, you eat something which is depleted, something which is devoid of valuable phytochemical and phytonutrients, you are vulnerable to get a cancer cell. Cancer cell cannot work in the environment where there is a lot of antioxidant level. Antioxidants here, vitamin A, C, and E, as I've talked, they are very much crucial, found in fruits and vegetables, but plenty they are found in herbs, which made me to join this school to study further and to ascertain the way we can use our natural products to avert cancer from our body. In the side of diseases, I don't blame disease on humanity. I blame lifestyle, the way we take our food. It is the cause of all the ailment that we get from the environment where we are staying. The causes of cancer, sugar fermentation in tissue. It deprives a human cell with oxygen. Once you deprive a human cell with oxygen, 5 seconds, you get a cancer cell. And what I talked of, excessive production of free radicals, is also another cause of cancer cell. Now, how to avoid to get cancer and some other diseases? First, we must have to improve our immune system. Immune system, when you improve your immunity, you eat foods that contain valuable nutrients like vitamin A, what I had already talked of, vitamin C, vitamin E, and minerals like selenium, zinc, and iron. These are the vital minerals that enhances immune system. Food, what you put on the table in terms of nutrition, you have to understand what you put on the table first. Food, less fats, too much fat. Food, too much salt. Food, too much sugar. You avoid those things, and then you take natural foods as they are from the field. Food which are free from pesticides. Foods which are not polluted in the environment, polluted. Like now on the roadside here, vegetables which are planted not just on the roadside, anything planted on the roadside, there is reed from exhaust fumes. This is one of carcinogenic substances that causes cancer. Food should be prepared somewhere far from the polluted environment. And we get food in their natural state as they are being planted in the field. That way we can avert cancer, and we can avert completely cancer, because cancer is, as I've talked, is a disease of civilized society. Civilized people, they get refined, processing, fragmented. They take GE, genetic engineered, with massive production of food, but less nutrients. This also can it will affect our body to get cancer. Emete nero romuna emete pokurut. Okoroku Vitoraka decandra, scientific name, lakini tadio koba tora tumigu na abantu obyo nero kokorosiwa mnana jite skuru ankanyora abange ba korosia na ba konyorosia paka orwadi chi cancer cell Jones P. Nobody talking about phytohemagglutinin, a substance ya phytohemagglutinin yego activate T cell helper. T cell helper, these are the cells within the microphage activity. Chigokonya could remove the dead cells from the bloodstream. You know, your mobile, ne yende think over disclosure go chime, ne menge, ego control free excess production of free radicals. Metene menge, ekera abantu bagoje skuru gaiga, abara cheko soma, esukuru muna bona kandi 20,000 emeteyu nabo abantu nabo mokonye soma gochime erinde konya abantu baito kansa yasinye paka abantu barabu lakini bono toise koirana ekiasiri konyerige ekiasiri kwa maana abantu baito kansa mbabwata abantu baito bamaiteri kwega no dio kababwata kansa ye na diabetes nebinte binde obichete magega ebinte ebi muna bichete magega abantu baise kurimbori gochime ebinto biri bakarire bitangani nabono na bako abati kansa na begusira ekoidana na etasira pi na beko benka sabantu muna bone priest kansa nero nkorora abangina baito bachandikisa no o kansa joro bere bachegaiga onde bwensi omwise komoke orwario kansa yoro bere diria arwari ta kobisa please inchese skuru ga bori abarwari mbaroro bago kwerio go gwakari moiga ebitundu kusibiri bire soro bere biasira eri baga ko ogoto to face complication nyinge oche kogenda pako buto rorobere abantu abangina arodi babutu rorobere bande rwagundie ba bisire bako to koro kya the latest stage ekerobono ya stage 5 stage 6 ya sadiri tissue gogo cha mapema na igura segete gorobere ebigo mimbireme inchuga wewe yogo ebintu biri bisire within 2 weeks 3 weeks ya chira na ndo mwese koyo na bago cha kogonkyo mwana enomo biya ata kwende atabwati dose ebitundu sibiri bi komere kwende orobere